Well, I didn't really want to come back here again, but I decided because I was doing night takes of pretty much every Polara EN2 that existed, I would go ahead and do this one too. Despite the fact that it's like over an hour away from home, I still decided to go ahead and revisit this guy because, I mean, these are the only ones besides the Polara EN3s I've filmed that actually tell you what street you're crossing on when the walk signal turns on. The only difference is this one does not do it on the VOL, which is the traveling directions here, unfortunately. But I still felt the need to come here and check this out. Anyway, here we go.
Wait. Traveling west. Wait.
Traveling west.
Wait.
Now I want you to listen to this very carefully. It's going to go off in a minute.
Wait.
Give it a second.
La Cholla Boulevard. Walk sign is on the cross. La Cholla Boulevard.
And yes, this does have a slightly longer countdown compared to...
27.
This one's louder.
26. 25.
It's got a slightly longer countdown compared to most I've filmed here. This one goes down to 32 seconds. I have never seen it go over 40. But also, one of these particular buttons does also do the little chipping sound instead of traveling west. Oh, and you know that? Look at that. Traveling, it's in sync with the arrow signal. You know it's good when that's the real thing. Alright, same side as last time I was here. This is the side with the button that had to be put back up because it got destroyed by a idiot driver. Thankfully the button is undamaged, but the sign definitely took a beating. Let me just take a picture of this real quick, just to make it a thumbnail. I'll probably do it like this though.
Wait. Traveling west.
Yeah, like this right here. Alright, walk signal is already going to kick off in a second. I know I flat out just ignored the fact that it said Tangerine Road walk sign is on to cross Tangerine Road. But these all say street names.
Wait. Traveling west. Wait.
It's a little darker on this side, despite the fact there's a light source. Hey, go ahead, man. Go.
Wait.
These do a
Wait. Traveling west.
incessant wait. It does the incessant wait tone. Listen to this again.
La Cholla Boulevard. Walk sign is on the cross. La Cholla Boulevard.
Skip 32.
29.
I guess we'll end it off on the side we started on, but I will be crossing back on this street because that side has no sidewalk, and I am not risking it again.
Wait. Traveling west.
AKA, this is the
Wait.
sign. This is the one with the crooked sign.
Wait. Traveling west.
There's no battery. Oh, it's on ultra wide
Wait.
lens. There's your sign.
Wait. Traveling west.
All right, listen to the walk signal.
Tangerine Road. Walk sign is on the cross. Tangerine Road. 29.
Oh yeah, this is the one that's been misprogrammed. It still does the walk signal as the street, but this does the slow beeping and the incessant chirping sound. If you want to listen to it, I'll show you it after I plan to go back. Let's just wait a little bit. There's still 4 seconds. But yeah, that concludes this little night shift take. That's not even right. Night take of these buttons here. More Polara EN2s, as per usual. Now, if you excuse me, I am going to be going back the other way, towards home. Figures.
Wait.
Does that noise. Just when ultra wide lens gets good, it just looks like this. Alright, I'll show you this one more time just because but flash is problematic. There's your signage. Walk signal is in 3, 2, 1.
Tangerine Grove.
Yeah, this one still does the signal. Stop. That's it.
26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20.
I'm going to end it right here. That's it, everybody. See ya.